Hello everybody, welcome to TT Customs. In today's episode we are going to do a full restoration on a 1980 Matchbox SuperKings K-10 transporter. Here is a little bit of history. The Matchbox SuperKings K-10 car transporter was introduced in 1976 as part of the SuperKings series. Version 1 was primarily red and silver in color. It had a rear ramp that could be opened to load up to 5 Matchbox cars. Version 2 came in a metallic blue and white color scheme. In 1986, the trailer design was reused with a new tractor unit and renumbered as K-120, marking the end of the K-10's production, thus making the K-10 transporter quite rare and extremely collectible today. We started off by stripping the paint. The paint is now stripped. Now we use some elbow grease with a bit of sandpapering and grinding to get rid of the unwanted paint and imperfections. Now that we got rid of most of the imperfections and unwanted paint, we can start applying the primer. You have to make certain that the primer covers the entire surface to ensure that the paint bonds properly. I applied a bit of masking tape on the mesh section of the ramp, and instead of the original white paint, I'm going to go for a gloss black. Looking pretty good, if I say so myself. Now to freshen up those old rims and tires. Now for the blue paint, adding a few coats of this. So far, so good. And there we have it, our fully restored 1980 Matchbox Super Kings K-10 transporter, looking better than the day it came out of the factory.
Bye.